In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send transfer money from GCash to ALIPAYLAZADA wallet. Let's get started inside the GCash app. First, open GCash on your phone and make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in. It also helps to have the app updated so the partner list and fields appear correctly, and make sure you have enough balance to cover the amount you want to send plus any potential fees shown in the app. From the GCash home screen, tap Transfer. This takes you to the section where you can move funds out of your GCash wallet. On the next screen, choose Local. This is the option for transfers to local partners and wallets. We'll stay under Local for this process. Now, use the search bar to find the destination. Type ALIPAYLAZADA wallet, then tap the matching result when it appears. This ensures you're sending to the correct partner and not a similarly named service. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Type the exact figure you need and take a second to confirm the currency and any displayed limits. If the app shows a convenience fee or minimum and maximum thresholds, adjust your amount accordingly. It's a good idea to leave a small buffer in your GCash balance so the transfer goes through without issues. Below the amount, fill in the required recipient details. Enter the account name exactly as it appears on the destination wallet, and then enter the account number associated with that wallet. These details must match the Alipay or Lazada wallet account you're sending to, so double-check spelling, numbers, and spacing. Small mistakes here can lead to failed or misdirected transfers. When everything looks correct, tap Send Money. You'll typically see a review page showing the amount, the partner name, the account name and number, and any applicable fees. Take a final moment to verify all information. Transfers like this are often instant and can be difficult to reverse. If everything is accurate, tap Pay to confirm. The app will process your request and show a confirmation screen once it's successful. You can keep a record of the reference number or receipt shown on this page for your personal tracking. In many cases, you'll also receive a notification confirming the transaction. And that's it. You've just sent money from GCash to an Alipay or Lazada wallet using the local transfer option. If you follow these steps carefully, open GCash, tap Transfer, choose Local, select ALIPAYLAZADA wallet, enter the amount, provide the correct account name and number, then tap Send Money and Pay, you'll complete the transfer smoothly and securely.